Yeah, my people, we're there. See me? Yeah, like a 360 at the place, you see it? Bird a chirp and thing, you see me? You know, we're going up on the road to the fantasy world. Let's see how the thing set. Yeah, and a whole heap of thing, man. I'm progressing, no boy can't stop progress. Big up on yourself, don't worry. I'm the inspiration, don't watch nothing, yeah? Big up on yourself, keep planting the food. You understand what I'm saying? Keep hustling the hustle. You see, Badmind is a dangerous thing. One thing I don't do in my people is Badmind, you know, man. Let me show you a Badmind, I want evil thing, you know. God, let me show you something now. You see when you're a prayer man thing, one nice little view of my people. And you have some boat back on me and something. Yeah. Now try to show you, see Badmind. Yeah man, it's a Badmind, I eat that thing. Because when you're a pre people, you don't have nowhere to go. Anybody over 30 can tell you that. Remember me tell you that. Badmind and them thing that you don't have nowhere going. You understand? My mama raised with a good mind. You understand? Some people is bad mind, this man. You understand? It could be all your girl. You understand? Could be a brother to blood cleat. You understand what I say? Thank God say I'm my brother master. But me I say it could be all your brother. You understand? Anybody can bad mind you know, man. A nice view there, my people. You see it? Because I can't outside and the most bored of the seeing me inside. You see me? So me I say, yeah, you know what I mean? Bad mind is a dangerous thing, my people. Serious. Anything when you do none of them thing they also burn a bad man, burn a grudge. We burn them thing, them still look where me I go, you know. Burn a grudge, man. Yeah man, I'm burn a hate on them thing there, you see me? Yeah. I'm just not all people on the way when I rate to you. You see me? But that don't make no sense. People when I rate you, you see me? Fire for them. Straight. You understand? Anybody when I help you with your progress, they're part of the problem. So you have to understand, sir. You see me, when they're on the idling, or foreign, and when man they are man still never idle, you see me. If anything, I'm more busy down there. You understand? Because there's things that you can just do. Now have to ask for permission when you're there, you see me. So I just road me I do, you know. Now watch nothing, you see me. All for a reverse up and thing, man. See me, I still a walk over me, I go because you don't know. Yeah man, a job we say, Selassie we say, you see me. One thing, don't bad mind. Anytime you bad mind, remember, you know, your mind not good, you know. Yeah. So anything can go on. You understand what I'm saying? That's why I mean that youth trying to bad mind, you know? Yeah man, and people out there, you see me? Just like all of we have all things to work on, you see me? So, you know, to the youths, respect my brother. Sail up on my security bridge and I work at one place, you know? Yeah. But to the youths, and no matter when I hate in my youth. Yeah. No matter with them thing there. You understand? Burn a bad mind and them thing there. You see me? It's a bad mind people, blood. Their own bad mind gonna kill them, blood. You understand? And the good people them out there, don't let some waste people draw you out, brother. Sister. You see me? Can't make them draw you out. That they want, you see me? See you there? Yeah. That they want to draw you out, you see me? Can't make them draw you out. Man on a place in the road, you see me? Yeah man, see man sit down on the road there, money in my look. A hustler. You understand? Him a blow him sitting in business. So just there, you see me, no idling. No wasting time. No waste girl, no waste man, you understand? But the whole of them thing there. You understand? So yeah, my family them in a big enough, you see me? I have to cross the road. Yeah man, there man, support there. Park are going with things. So the next view they don't listen. That's what I'm going with things, you see me? Yeah man. Now I try to show people saying I ugly, you see me? Big up to the whole dancehall movement, you see me? Anywhere we there, we big enough, remember me tell you. Big up Jamaica, my birthplace, you see me? 100%, you understand? Teach me to detect bad mind, you understand? Because it's not really my kind of people. Once you find out where the bad mind are coming from, you know, you cut off that channel there straight away, you know. Because you can't in love with bad mind. Oh, you love this person, I love that person, and then bad mind. Fire for them. You understand? People with bad mind, a fire will burn upon them, you see me? It no matter how, you understand? Could have my flesh and my flesh, blood and my blood. Fire upon a bad man, because that's not constructive. You understand? That's destructive. You understand? Some people don't want to be productive. You understand? All they want to do is be destructive, you see me? Yeah. See one of my people, I'm going to bless them up again. Say hello. Boom. Yeah.
What shall I say to you
Yeah, man,
about this world, eh?
You know, the people confused and
What's happening with everybody?
serious thing.
Eh? I'm a pensioner, you know, now.
It's come no, man.
So they leave me alone. The man leaves me alone for now.
Please.
You know that.
You're saying it tough on the young people, big man.
It's very tough on the young youth for today.
Indeed.
You know, I got a new granddaughter, and I worry about what's happening. You know, so the innocence of this world. You know what I mean? The children of this world, where all the big men play their silly little games with our lives. Always been.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, we have to have the scraps.
you know.
Yeah.
When we gotta love one another, you know.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
the truth of it all. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're a big man.
But no one's. The big people are not listening.
Yeah. True.
You know.
There's a in state and government, they're not listening, big man.
They're not listening. Not listening to the small people. You know, the Trumps of this world, mad people like that. You know.
Yeah, man.
Madman in power.
Yeah, man, it's mad. It's mad. So is your family doing, big man? Cause like I see, I just say put you on the camera.
Yeah, you know, Chrissy, my son.
Yeah.
He's got a daughter now.
Yeah, congratulations. See the big man, more life. About just have a grandchild, and I mean, bless up.
Yeah.
Everybody who likes the big man.
That's what it's
And
all
your
about.
grandchild,
We got to look after the youth today.
Yeah, I hear you, big man. Like
You
I
know
was
that.
listening to some Peter Tosh last night, you know.
Yeah.
And I listened to one song called You Can't Blame the Youths.
You can't blame
the youth of today, you know what I mean? And I was really feeling the track still.
Yeah.
Because it kind of, even though Tosh gone so long, it still kind of makes sense
I feel
to know.
sorry for them. You know, there's no sort of place for them to go. You know what I mean?
And we're in England, UK, big man, so everybody knows that, yo, we're in England.
Yeah.
And this is how it is in England, and it ain't.
Yeah.
Better roads in
the
England at the moment.
The promised land.
That's what I'm saying, pave the goal and
They
stuff.
think it's the promised land.
Yeah, but
and you come here and you're just shunned aside. You know what I mean? Everybody.
It's just a place on earth rather than the fantastical view of the place.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot. I love my country, and I love the people in it. I'm glad we can all just.
Yeah, man, I like Britain too, man.
Yeah, we can.
Myself.
At least we can,
man.
you know, have what religion we want and pray to who we want. And,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
There's a small minority, but there will always be a small bad people.
Yeah.
That want to spoil it for the rest.
Yeah, I can
but
hear that.
Majority of the people are loving. You know
Yeah,
what
man,
I
it's
mean?
true.
The whole family.
I couldn't stay here for so long if people wasn't loving. The people I'm loving, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. This is your home. It's your home as much as my home,
man.
isn't it? Were you born here?
No, you're no big man. Born in Jamaica still, so.
What, Kingston?
No, Clarendon, Jamaica, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Bob Marley's country.
Yeah, and it's one time, Clarendon was so peaceful, you know what I mean? And then, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like everything just changed so much, everything just become so.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Instant gratification is what people want, you know what I mean? And so it make, you know what I mean? It give, it's like the gas to crime.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because people want the things right now.
Yeah.
They don't want to work for a week.
No, that's it.
Save
It's
for
the
a
thing,
month.
you know, like I'm old school, we were taught differently, you know. After that war they had, I was born not long after the Second World War, and in London where I was born, it was all bombed out.
Yeah.
And you know, you had a thingy there when you left school, you could get an apprenticeship.
I see.
You know what I mean?
So
you were
get
lucky.
Straight into something
I
and
was
get a little
very
pay.
lucky.
Yeah.
You know, I had to start off at the bottom as you do, but
you did get somewhere.
T-boy the foreman in 5 years.
Yeah.
That's how you got to do it. You got to work your way.
Oh, yeah.
You don't get straight away the big money. You got to start at the bottom. That's where you learn.
You don't have to listen to the big man. Yeah, the big man say, you know, you have to have like a patience in life.
Patience. Yeah. One step at a time.
Definitely.
One step at a time.
Plant the
Sometimes a
seed.
second at a time.
In
In life, you know what I mean? I learned that through getting old.
Wisdom. Because it's time in it.
Yeah.
The more experiences, the more it gives you to look back at.
That's it. Now I can look back. Now the pressure's off me a little bit. Now I'm a pensioner.
Yeah, and you take the pressure off me too to make me know that, you know what I mean? I don't put myself under too much pressure neither. You know what I mean? Just one step at a time.
Yeah.
Even though sometimes I'm eager to do stuff, still
You've
just
got
one.
to step back a little bit. You know, step back and
Can
just
appreciate what you have.
chill it a little bit. You know what I mean? And you know, listen to people like your elders.
Yeah.
They got loads of knowledge there. You know what I mean?
I hear you, big man.
Because that's how I was brought up with all my friends that came over in the early days from Jamaica. You know, I was at a special school with, you know, a lot of us like that. And my brethren were like, you know, we were all mixed. There was no black or white. You know.
I see why we have this time where it's okay, where it's not even a thing.
No.
You know, but if it wasn't people like you who was all right with things like that social living,
Yeah.
you know what I mean, and that
Yeah.
acceptance, a warm acceptance, you know what I mean, maybe then the problem would still be there, you know what I mean, of that racial prejudice and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
thanks to your generation still, you know what I mean, and people that come from your generation who, you know,
Yeah.
wanted oneness.
Yeah,
you
that's,
know what I mean?
we lost the
Definitely.
thing with the older people. You got to get back with the older people. They will give you the guidance. It's like old tribe.
I
That's
hear you.
you used to respect the elders. You know what I mean? They lived all those lives. I've made many mistakes, but thanks to God, I'm still here. You know what I mean? There must be a purpose.
Give thanks to the Most High, definitely.
You know what I mean? Spread the message. One love.
Yeah, definitely. I know this message is going to go all over the world. Listen, me, I'm a big man bridging. See it there? I love what said to the world. Listen, me, I'm a big man bridging. So bless up, big man, because you
Bless
don't
up.
know.
Bless up.
Yeah, bless up. Up.
Up.
Message.
Message
Yeah, man,
to
message
you.
in a
That's
bottle,
to
innit?
you. Elders.
Yeah, man, it's recorded again. Yeah, all the youth of today, listen to the elders. That's a message.
Yeah.
It's my big man bridging, you know what I mean? So, yeah, you know
Your
what I mean?
grandpa and your
That's
pa.
cool, man. The real English, not the fake one. I'm telling you. Straight. Real Jamaican, not the fake one. Straight.
Yeah.
Listen, me, one love, we say.
One love.